Hello everyone, welcome back to Atomic Ascent, your go-to destination for mastering chemistry with clarity and confidence. If you are preparing for JEE Main or just aiming to strengthen your class 11 basics, you are in perfect place. Today once again, we are starting off our journey with question number 8, which has been asked during JEE Main 2025 from class 11, chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. All right, so let's begin this question. So this question is density of 3 molar sodium chloride solution is 1.25 gram per milliliter. The molality of the solution is, we have to calculate the molality of the solution. Molarity has been given. Okay, so molarity's options are over here. That is, first option is 1.79, second is 2.79 molar, third is 2 molar, and fourth is 3 molar. So let's find out that what is going to be the molality of this particular solution. So in the question, it has been given that sodium chloride solution, its molarity of the given solution is, okay, 3 molar. That means 3 moles per liter. All right. So the molarity of sodium chloride solution means that 3 moles of sodium chloride, which is a solute, is dissolved in 1 liter solution. Okay, we do not need solvent over here, so remember that we only need solute. One more thing has been given. We have been given density of the solution. All right, and the density is 1.25 grams per milliliter. Okay, we also know a few things, that density means mass divided by volume. Okay, we know the density, we know the volume of the solution. This is the density of solution, this is the volume of the solution, and volume of solution is 1 liter. We have discussed it already. Now we can calculate the mass of the solution. So mass of the solution is equal to density into volume. Density is 1.25 and volume is 1 liter. We can convert it into milliliter because density is also given in milliliters. So obviously 1000, and it comes out to be 1250 grams. So now we know that what is the mass of the solution. We can convert this mass of the solution into kilograms. So what we are going to do, 1250 divided by 1000, that is 1.25 kilograms. Okay, this is the mass of solution. Why we are calculating the mass of solution? Because we need to calculate the molality of the solution. Now, for molality of the solution, right, molality is going to be number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilograms. This is very important. If it is not given in kilograms, then convert it into kilograms. So as you know, we have been given the mass of solution. So now we have to find out the mass of solvent. So first of all, before that, we can calculate the mass of solute. Mass of solute. Right? So what is solute over here? We have sodium chloride. Okay. So 1 mole of sodium chloride weighs, in it there is 1 sodium and then there is 1 chlorine. So sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. So it becomes 58.5 gram. But this is for 1 mole. And in the question we have been given sodium chloride. Sodium chloride's moles have been given. Moles of sodium chloride, that is 3 moles. Now what we can do, we can calculate mass of 3 moles of sodium chloride. Mass of 3 moles of sodium chloride, that is 3 multiplied by its molar mass, which is 58.5. That comes out to be 175.5 grams. Okay. Now this is the mass of solute. We do not know the mass of solvent. So mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So what is the mass of solvent? Mass of solvent is equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. So we have to deduct the mass of solute from it. Mass of solution we have already calculated, 1250 minus mass of solute is 175.5. So we are going to deduct it, 5.4. So it comes out to be 1074.5 grams. So this is mass of solvent. Now we can calculate the molality. So molality is equal to number of moles of sodium chloride divided by mass of solvent in kilograms. So now we have to convert this gram into kilogram. That is, we will divide the mass in grams with 1000. That comes out to 1.0745 kilograms. So let's take NaCl becomes number of moles of NaCl was 3 divided by 1.0745. Okay. So after calculating, it comes out to be equal to 2.79 mole per kilogram. And as we know, mole per kilogram is molar. And when we go up and look at our question, we can see that second option is the correct option. So this is how the molality of a solution is calculated, where molarity of the solution and density has been given. And that's all for today. I hope you have found this session very informative, and we will continue the session next time also. So thank you for watching. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in next video. Until then, keep ascending.